Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Great Beer Garage. My name is Matt. And today we're going to be doing a little more chicken coop work. We're going to be installing some wireless cameras so that we can see the chickens inside their coop and also from the outside. And first thing we have to do though is fix, I'm going to fix this outlet right here. So I'm going to be replacing the outlet and putting a waterproof or watertight cover on there. And then we're going to install some cameras in the coop itself. And then we're going to have a camera installed on this pole here so we can see the run and what they're all up to. So we're going to go ahead and get to work on that. All right, guys, so we have our new outlet hooked up here. And I had to clean the wires up a little bit because they were corroded from being exposed to the elements for so long. Now we're going to get ready to install this watertight cover. We'll go ahead and get that put on and then we'll be done, and then we can move on to setting up our cameras. Okay guys, so now you can see we've got our weather resistant box on here, and that's where we will plug in one of our cameras, and then the other cameras will get plugged into an extension cord that'll go over to the coop. So we'll go ahead and show you installing the cameras now. Okay guys, so here's a picture of the box. This is from Amazon. Daytime and nighttime vision. Go check out my wife's channel, Roni's Backyard Chickens. She'll put the link up for these. And they do come with a power block to plug into a standard, 110 outlet. And then I'll show you installing those here on our pole, and then we'll go ahead and get going from there. Okay guys, so here's the camera. We're going to set it up here. I don't know if we can see that from there or not, but yeah, that's where we're going to go ahead and set this camera up, and that'll give us a full view of the coop and everything from behind. So we'll go ahead and get that installed now. Okay guys, so this mount's really easy. It's got two holes here that the screws go into. So we're gonna go ahead and get that set up here. I got it, hopefully. Depending on how well this tool wants to work. Alright, it's that simple, guys. Pour a little antenna up. Just like that. Alright, there's our first one installed. And it simply plugs in with the cord that you would use for an old school cell phone. Just like this. And that goes into the camera. So we'll go ahead and get that plugged in. Okay guys, so now we're inside the coop and we're gonna install that second camera. And we're gonna put it up here, and that'll give us a full view of the coop. So we can see the girls, because they all sleep here in the window and on the door. That's where they like to sleep. So at least we'll be able to see them there. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll get that started. All right, so we are now in the coop. We're gonna work on getting that camera installed in here. Do these antennas need to be straight up?
I don't think it matters. Because I think they're actually, it depends if you need them straight up or however you need to do to make them go.
Well, I just want to make sure that if we install this so that they can go up if we need them to go up. All right, so about there.
Yeah.
Oops, about right there.
Yeah, looks good.
Okay. I wonder how well this will get reception, being that there's all this metal
I
wiring.
don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. But I'll know as soon as it's plugged in because it'll ping my phone.
Okay, there's one. Can I get the next one? Nope. Boop, boop. Bunny ears up.
Undo it and it should fit through.
I think if we come around the back side here, it's gonna be right where the plug is. Of course, it doesn't want to cooperate. Got it?
Nope.
Did it come through?
Yep. I don't think I'm tall enough to plug it in. Not the door.
Okay, I think that's it. All right, cool. Well, that one's installed. So now we just need to go ahead and get those plugged in and then we can run a test. All right, guys, as you can see here, let me tighten in on this. Well, okay, so now we got our camera installed. And you can see it's right there. So now we'll plug that in and we'll test it to make sure it works. And then we'll have our girls on camera. Okay guys, so here we are. It's about a week later and we do have our cameras in. So we're going to just show you those real quick so that we can kind of cap this video off and move on to the next project. So we're going to go inside the coop here and we'll take a look at the cameras. And then I'll include a couple still shots of what those pictures look like from the camera. So here's the camera mounted up on our little door that we made in one of our previous videos. And then it's powered through basically like a cell phone type wire with a block that goes into the new outlet that we fixed previously. And then we've got one also, all the girls are out playing. Well, let's go take a look in the coop real quick because we have our other camera in here up in the corner, and that gives us a great shot of the entire coop. And these cameras have night vision so we can see what the girls are up to at night, and then it also notifies us of any kind of motion activity as well. So if you want these cameras and you're interested in getting something like this for your coop, check out my wife's channel at Roni's Backyard Chickens, and she'll have the link in there for these cameras, which I'm pretty impressed with for as cheap as they are. They do a pretty nice job. So guys, thanks for checking us out again. This is Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt. And again, if you like seeing this kind of content, please hit that like button to let us know. Feel free to leave a comment anytime. I always try to respond to them. I know I've missed a couple here recently, but I will try and go and make any replies necessary. So thanks guys for checking us out again. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, as it does help out the channel greatly. And if you have subscribed and you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much for being part of our channel. And let us know if this is the kind of stuff you like seeing. And if so, we'll keep trying to produce this kind of content. Anyway, guys, again, my name is Matt, Graybeard Garage. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. We'll see you next time.